Hey everyone, this is Henry Queener, and today we're going to talk about how to read a Kentucky Uniform Police Traffic Collision Report. Now, these reports are the same all across Kentucky, no matter where you are. Um, and when you are unfortunate enough to have one and need to read it, here's how you do that. First, investigating agency. In this case, it's the Somerset Police Department right there. Um, the Next, as you come down, you'll see intersection. That will tell you where the wreck took place, but more importantly, if you come down further, you'll see a section called latitude and longitude right there. Uh, that will tell you precisely where it took place. So if you take that information and you plug it into Google Maps, it will tell you exactly where your wreck was. And so sometimes it can be dark, it can be at night, you can be on a highway and you're not quite sure what county you were in at the time of the wreck, or were you in city limits or not. All that is completely clear once you type in the longitude and latitude into Google Maps you find here in your police report. And this is gathered from the police officer's car. The police officer's car auto-populates that in there, and that is the exact GPS location of the police officer's vehicle. As you come down the crash report, you'll see another section, weather and conditions, lighting conditions. As you come further down the report, you will find at the very bottom the investigating officer's name. You will also find a timestamp here. The timestamp can be wrong. The date is almost never wrong. I've only had one case where the date was wrong, but the timestamp, sometimes that's auto-populated by the car, sometimes that's auto-populated by the 911 call center. So this timestamp, it can be a little off. So you may want to check that and see how accurate you believe that to be. Now, police reports also have this section called the narrative section. Very helpful. Read this carefully. It will tell you about other potential witnesses. It'll tell you about is there possible photographs or video out there of this wreck. This one seems to have taken place in a Burger King parking lot. That is good to know. We could contact the Burger King there and ask them, do you have cameras that face out over your parking lot that might have caught this wreck we're helping somebody with? As you come down further, you'll see we've redacted information to protect people's privacy, but this is the first vehicle on our police report, Unit 1. And here you list the operator's name, operator's address. Well, the operator of the vehicle will always be copied again down here in the persons involved matrix. And so it is normal to have the driver's name listed once, listed twice, because in this matrix down here, this table down here, they list everybody in the car a second time, even the driver up here. As we come down again, we see what kind of vehicle we're dealing with here, but we also see the name of the insurance company. And here at Queener Law, we have the addresses and contact information for all major auto insurance carriers, and that's all we need is the name of that insurance company, and then we can contact them and make sure the at-fault driver has set up a claim, and if they haven't, we can get a claim set up for you. Now we come down to the next vehicle, Unit 2 here. Again, you see the operator's name is blacked out there, but the operator of the vehicle will be listed here, and then again, it'll be listed down here in the persons involved matrix or table. In this vehicle, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 people. Remember, one of those 4 is going to be your driver. And this person also had insurance, direct auto insurance. Again, we know where they are. We know how to contact them. We have their contact information, their claim email, and we can get claims set up. All we need is the name of that auto insurance carrier. As you come down a little further, you have the witness table. So here's where they list out all the witnesses. Very important. We have a witness. We have witness contact information. We always contact witnesses to see, were they a witness? Did they see the crash, or did they just turn around or look over after they heard the noise of the collision? So contacting witnesses is very important. Witness may have pictures too. So there you go. That's a quick rundown of a Kentucky crash report. Sometimes they will have diagrams. Those diagrams are not to scale, so they can look wrong. They also have pre-selected templates in their system, and so they don't actually draw the roadway. They just pick preset templates of what they kind of match each and match the intersection, and they just pick from the selection of templates. So the diagrams can be helpful, but they can also be misleading. If you've got a crash report and you need some help reading it, please feel free to give us a call at Queener Law. You can find us easily on your phone. Just Google Queener Law or come to queenerlaw.com, and you can click the link to call us, and we can walk you through your crash report and tell you how to read it. Till next time.